Here's a quick overview of the motor I built for my Hobie Lynx kayak. Most of the parts came from BlueRobotics and then some parts from TPP. So we see the thruster there mounted to the rudder. Cable goes up to this waterproof box I got from Harbor Freight. It's the 3800 series. Inside is a 50 amp hour LiFePO 4 lithium battery. Propeller and throttle cables connect with I think it's CN Link YM20 waterproof connectors. For the throttle control, I bought the throttle cable from TPP along with the mount for the rudder control on the Hobie here. Didn't want to have to figure that out on my own, so that was a bit of a splurge, but I'm happy I did it. Ultimately, I'm going to move this battery box from the rear of the kayak to over here between the fishing crate and the seat, and it'll be standing vertically. Won't be able to do that until I get a longer length of cable for the motor. Inside the battery and control box, we have the 50 amp hour battery, as I mentioned earlier. And I used the pick foam that comes with the box to shape it to the battery. And then over here, I have the BlueRobotics thrust commander in the bottom center there. I have a bus bar there, and underneath this piece of shrink tube, which I didn't shrink, is the basic ESC, electronic speed controller, which you need for these 3-wire motors. This is a Anderson power pole connector. I use these for all my connections to batteries, so I've replaced all my battery connections and charger connections with these to make it easier, and they work well. In the end, I'm going to add a external switch as well. Right now I have to open up the case and connect that in order to power it up. So that's basically it. So the only things left are, like I said, to add an on-off switch, and I'm thinking about possibly adding an external port to provide DC power to anything else on the kayak, but I'm not sure it's worth the effort. Currently, I have a Garmin finder here on top of a Yak Attack box with a 6 amp hour lithium battery inside to power that. And that's it.